Hey YouTubers, have you ever been wondering how do you solve one of these? Well, today I'm going to teach you. It's not that hard. First of all, you need Rubik's Cube. That's your first step. If you don't have one, go out and buy one. I got this at Walmart. You can get them pretty much anywhere. Walmart, Target, they have them. Yeah, a lot of places. Once you have your 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube, the first step, and to know how to solve it, is the notation. It's very simple. First, you need to know the faces. This is the right face, down face, bottom one, left face, up face, front face, back face. So it's pretty easy. You need to memorize those and solving this. Now, moves are right is just the right face up. Like that, very simple. Right inverted is the opposite of that. Left is left face down. Left is opposite of that. Up is the up face to the left. Up inverted is the up face to the right, etc., etc. You get the point. Now, if you get confused, and I recommend you put your thumb in the middle of the center that we're working with. Then move it to the side that you need to. Go onto it. Go move. And you move it counterclockwise or clockwise or however you need to move it. Alright, so then the next step is scrambling the cube. That's rather easy. Just some random moves. Okay, so that's good. Alright, once you have your cube scrambled, what you are going to want to do is locate the white centerpiece. The reason why we're starting with white, and you're saying, well, here blue has a piece starting, well, it's just easiest to start with white. Some people also start with green. I don't get how that's easier. I like to start with white. Alright, so first you're going to locate all four of the white edge pieces, which are these, because you're going to want to solve the cross, the white cross. So, like, for example, here's a white edge piece. It's white and blue. So you're going to move that until it gets up to the top, like that. Then you're going to line it up like that. See, it's blue and white. This is just as important as solving your cross. So, yeah. Now, here's another piece. Another one right there. Sorry if you can't see the best. And then when you flip it up, it's the wrong way. How do you flip that without screwing this up? And if you're lucky, that will be solved, which mine is. Well, here's your first algorithm, your very, very first algorithm. It's front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. So you got that right there, and you didn't screw this or this up. So with a little bit of comment, left inverted, up inverted. So you got that right there, and you didn't screw this or this up. So with a little bit of common sense, hopefully you can solve this cross here. And the next step is you're going to want to find the four corner pieces. Well, here's your corner piece right here. So you get that underneath. And there's two algorithms you can use for this. You're going to make sure to hold it on the outside, not the inside. That takes too long. Inside, this is your algorithm. Left, down, left inverted, down inverted. Just like that. Alright, so now here's a piece that's flipped, and it's the opposite. Well, you're gonna hold it on the, so it's on the outside. Use this algorithm instead of that. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, and you got that solved. Whoops, I messed up. Alright. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. So, hopefully with a little bit more common sense, you can solve the rest of the first side. Congratulations, you solved it. But if you did it correctly, you would have also solved this first layer.